Hello everyone. In this video, I would be showing you one of the use of number formatting. Now, let's move to an example where we can understand how number formatting can help us. For example, I have a data as you can see, and I need to allot employee codes to the employers. Now, in my company, employer code starts with EMP dash or hyphen the next three digits, any three digits or any four digits. So instead of writing emp every time, what I want is I just put the digits over here, and emp should automatically appear in every of that cell. So how can I do this? This could be done through number formatting. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to select the range of the cell range where I want it. Then I'll have to go to number dialog box over here. Over here, I'll select custom. Now in custom, the things that I want fix, I'll put that in double inverted commas, such as EMP hyphen double inverted comma close, and the number of digits that you want after that or before that could be represented by zeros, and then you can just hit OK. Now if I put, now I don't need to write emp every time. I'll just put one to any number, and you could see emp gets automatically before it appears of before what you type. For example, any number that I type and I enter, emp is being fixed over there, so I don't need to type emp. I can just allot any three digit number and click enter. So this is one of the use of number formatting. So I hope this will help you in such cases where you need to do it. Thank you.